Hey guys, I got another package today. I got me some nail mail, and this is from Maniology. I just got it out of the mail. So we will open this up, and this is the monthly box. Oops. All right. Look how cute the box is. What a cute box. It's got the cute little snowflakes. Love it. And here's what it looks like when you open it up. Let me move the scissors out of the way. How stinking cute. It says, be happy, be bright, be you. And then it's got the little cards. I love these little cards that they give you. And it lets you know what you got. And here's the back. It says, just chill, deck the halls, and naughty and nice. So it tells you what all's in your box. And I keep these cards and put them in my binder things. And this tells you how to do it. Rosy cheeks. And then it gives you all the steps. Gives you ideas. And then we got another card. So I guess snowy blue mani mask. So here's another cute card. And directions on how to use it. So once you get the cards out, it's got tissue paper. And here's how it looks once you open the paper. Alright, so these boxes come with 2 polishes. And then you get your 2 stamping plates. And this is the surprise gift, which is the mani mask. And it's cuticle protector latex. And it's a really cute blue. So that's cool. I already have some latex stuff from a different brand. But so that'll be exciting to use the cute blue. And then it comes with the 2 gummies. And then a pamphlet on how to stamp. So let me get this out of the way. And let's check out the colors. And this is the November box, which I did not expect it to come this early. So this was a nice surprise. Okay, so this was the surprise gift. I already showed that. So we're going to check out the polishes. Jesus Christ. All right. Okay, so we've got the color Sugar Plum. Sugar Plum. And here's what the color looks like. It's kind of like a dusty rose type color. So here's what it looks like. It's a good fall color. I wish they would have had like more Christmassy type colors. And this is called Frozen, and it's number 316. And it's like a pearly type color. Like a pearly white. It's pretty. It's like shimmery, pearly. So that's cool. I definitely don't have a color like that. And I have some that look similar to this, but I don't think I have any duplicates. Alright, let's check out the stamping plates. So that one is number 20. And then this is number 19. I'll show you number 19 first. This one has snowflakes. And I believe you can layer these. I just now kind of getting into stamping, so I don't know much about it. But, and of course, it's not going to pick up too well. But it's nothing but different snowflakes, and you can add on to them. So that's pretty cool. This is number 19. Alright, let's check out number 20. And this one has like trees, looks like icicles, happy holidays. It's got like sayings, and you can build your own snowmen. So we got the snowmen over here, and then all the accessories for the snowmen that you can add, like your own faces, and look how cute. Then you got your trees down here. So yeah, it's pretty cute. And I've got to fix these two nails, which I'll be doing that today. So yeah, two of my nails are broke, so excuse that. This hand looks good. Alright, so here's plate number 20. So we got the fall, like a winter vibe. I don't know why I was saying fall. So you can do like the winter scene. So that's really cool. So plate 19 and plate 20. And then you get these two colors. This reminds me of winter. This does not. So we get sugar plum and frozen in the November box. And then you get the blue latex that you put around your fingers so you don't get polish all over it. And then, you know, you get your little cards that tell you about it. And all that good stuff, which these are really nice and cute and gives you great ideas on what you can do with this set. So that's really cool. And I hope you enjoyed this quick video. And I'll see you guys next time. And this was the November maniology box. Alright, bye guys.